Boardrooms have become ubiquitous across organizations for decades, but the kind of meetings that they need to enable today are very different than in the past. Collaborative meetings are largely conducted over video and often at short notice, given the need to conserve the time of senior members of the board and the organization. The priority in these new boardrooms is to make the technology elements in the rooms almost invisible, very quick to set up, and extremely intuitive to use. Here are some design guidelines that can help you achieve these goals in your boardroom. Number 1. Simplify connectivity with wireless portable devices by enabling BYOD. Getting meetings started quickly goes a long way in the boardroom, and simpler connectivity methods can help achieve this. Wireless presentation systems should be incorporated into all boardrooms to allow a presenter to get connected quickly and seamlessly. This also allows greater flexibility in devices used. Secondary connectivity should also be provided via recessed cubbies with retractable cables placed conveniently for all participants. Number 2. Pay attention to the room audio design to ensure clarity. When larger boardrooms are designed, there is a need for an effective audio system so that all participants can hear the presenter clearly. Ceiling or boundary microphones with Dante and AVB technology are ideal for integration with a suitable audio system and to avoid clutter on the table. Sound treatment should also be considered for reduction of unwanted reflections and greater privacy. Number 3. Incorporate more flexible video conferencing solutions. As video calling with remote participants becomes a vital part of most boardroom interactions, care should be taken into the selection of the VC hardware. On one hand, they should be flexible and allow the use of cloud VC platforms like Zoom, Teams and WebEx, as well as legacy H323 systems for wider interoperability. Built-in room hardware should also be equipped with features like multiple cameras, AI-based framing, and speaker tracking systems to allow more fluid interactions. Recording of meetings is another important feature in boardrooms. Number 4. Use control system presets to speed up the room startup times. A centralized control system which consists of a control processor and a touch-enabled software interface makes it much easier to manage a room equipment. A single button control can also be configured to get the boardroom ready for meetings in seconds. This includes powering up the equipment, switching on the display, adjusting room lighting, and activating the audio system simultaneously. Number 5. Invest in good lighting design and a lighting control system. Room lighting plays a key role on projected image brightness, color accuracy and appearance, as well as the quality of video interactions. Getting the right room lighting fixtures and using dimming systems can help eliminate shadows, reduce eye strain, and lets the audience focus on the projected image. Effective control via dimming and intelligent light sensors can also contribute towards helping enterprises achieve their energy-saving goals. For more information on how you can enhance your boardroom, contact Actis at 022 308080 or write to us at contact@actis.co.in.